Did you know the most powerful psychic in Mob Psycho 100 almost never uses his power? Mob can bend reality. He can level buildings. He can end a fight before it starts. And he just doesn't. Not because he's holding back out of fear, because he decided something early, that his power is not his identity. That being strong at something doesn't mean that thing is who you are. Everyone around him treats his ability like the whole point of him, like the gift is the person. But Mob is chasing something quieter. He wants to be kind. He wants to be someone his friends are glad to know. He wants to earn that, not inherit it. That's the hardest thing to do. Not to grow stronger, to stay grounded when strength is the easiest answer in the room. You have things you're good at, maybe even gifted at, but your gifts are tools. They are not your character. Who you choose to be when you don't have to prove anything, that's the real work. Start there.